Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I am here planning for the week of July 31st through August 6th in my Estelle B6 Daily Classic. Still enjoying the planner. Gotta figure out what I'm gonna do for 2024, but that's a not today problem, that's for sure. This is gonna be week 31 in this planner. I think I had a couple of misnumbered weeks going on, but I think I've gotten it all sorted out and we are good to go. For this week, I'm using this kit from Life with Mayra. I believe it's just called Summer, but you can see the link and the info down below for sure. But it's super fun and cheerful, and I thought that this would be a really good kit to use for this week. I did need to pull in a couple of extras. There's only 6 full boxes, so I pulled in this Happy Planner Seasons sticker book I've had for a while. I've been using this a bunch recently, but the colors are really good for the summer section, so I might pull in some of these pieces. And then I did also pull in both of these American Crafts sets. I don't know what I'm going to use for them, but I thought that they might have some appropriate kinds of pieces as well. Definitely some of the right colors, things like that. So that's my plan. I'm going to pull that stuff in. And then I did pull out my iBuyam fine liner in this kind of forest green color. It doesn't exactly match, but it feels like a more saturated version of this kind of green, aqua-y green color. So I thought that it would work really well for putting in numbers and stuff like that. My plan is to stick in all of the numbers and that. I'm going to use these headers for sure. So I'm going to try to stick in all of that stuff and then write in some details over here. I think I might end up sticking down these washi strips as well, although we'll see. I might do that with you guys. We'll see how that goes. So I'm going to do those few bits and then I will come back so that we can do all the interesting bits. All right, here is where we are at so far. I realized I've never used like the month day kind of slashes situation. This is the US arrangement where you put the month and then the day, just as a heads up. And I decided to use that down the side as well. I also used all lowercase to kind of counteract this all caps here. I am gonna just start filling this in, and then I was gonna stick the washi down, but I think I'm actually gonna hold off on that after all. So I'm just gonna start out with a this week up here at the top. Seems kind of logical. And then I'm gonna put in one of these guys. This one matches this, so definitely not that one. Maybe I'm gonna do this Hello Summer one. Actually, no, I think I'm gonna do this one. So it says Sun and Fun with all the like kind of icon doodle situation. Okay, that looks really cute. And then I think I'm gonna use the one that says important, maybe. None of these actually align that well, but it's gonna be fine. And then I'm gonna stick down this guy for my meals. There we go. And then I'm gonna use this one that says don't forget. There we go. Stick that one in. And I'm gonna stick down the habit tracker. There we go. And then lastly, I'm gonna peel off one of these things of washi, if I can do that successfully. Let me start from the other end a little bit. There we go. Okay. And I'm just gonna stick that down here at the very bottom that leaves like a little bit of a gap, but I think that's gonna work out fine. I'm actually gonna run it all the way across until the edge. There we go. Since I definitely don't need all of this space. And then I'm gonna take this red to do that I have, and I'm gonna stick that here at the top of this row. If I could get it straight, that would be awesome. There we go. All right, and I'll stick my to-do list in there. So I think that covers everything. I realized I forgot to put in all the numbers for the days. So I'm just gonna do that as I go, even though it's kind of boring for you guys. I usually write in the numbers 8 to 4, and then I'm gonna stick in these washies at 5 o'clock. There we go. And then I'm just gonna trim this one a little bit shorter. Perfect. Okay, I do have a couple of boxes and things like that that I can use. I'm probably not going to use those on the weekdays, so I'm just going to stick to filling in something here. I think I'm going to use this Aloha one with a watermelon. There we go. Okay, that looks pretty cute. I don't have anything scheduled. I think I have a tentative movie night, but it's definitely not certain, so I'm not going to fill anything in there. Moving on to Tuesday and Wednesday, I am going to stick in my times again while I am at it. I like to start the 8 a little bit from the top because I just like how it looks, and then it also leaves a little bit more space there if for some reason I want to put something before the workday starts. I have had meetings earlier than 8 occasionally if I need to meet with an international team. So it seems helpful to have. I do have this other washi that was also included in the kit. So I'm going to stick that one down for this Tuesday spot. It's slightly short, but it doesn't bother me. I just need a divider there. And then I'm going to go back to this other washi strip with the little like watermelon pool rings and the lemonade here for Wednesday. I don't really have anything planned for either of these days as well. Not a lot goes on during the summer unless we're on vacation. So yeah, kind of boring, but that's okay. I am gonna stick in a couple of these guys. I think over here, maybe I'll do this Hello Summer one now. You know, kind of in line with like Hello August, but Hello Summer. And then I think I'm gonna do this one that says Summer Paradise with the swimsuit. I think that looks cute with the little sunglasses up here. Awesome. Okay, and then last 2 weekdays, I still need to fill in my time situation there. I do like this size so that I get 1 line per half hour so that I can put in meetings regardless of which part they start on. I'm going to stick down this lemonade inner tube situation over here on Thursday. And then I do have some more of this yellow washi. If I can pick that up and not have all the scrappy scraps in the way. So I'm going to use that here on Friday. I'm sorry if you can hear garbage trucks in the background. There's like a lot going on in my neighborhood today. But I need to get my filming done. All right, so that covers these days. The only thing left to fill in, I want to drop this one that says Summer Mood right here. And then this guy, or lady, I guess. Ooh, that matches. That's super annoying. Okay, so to solve that problem, I'm gonna pull out one of these. Do I have something in like the right colors in this American Crafts one? It was like a little, I want to find something that's like fits but also isn't too like, you can do it, since that doesn't feel like the vibes of this particular kit. Is more chill than that. And this particular sticker book definitely has a lot of those kinds of situations. Let me try this one. The colors don't quite match as much in here. Oh, this one seems actually pretty good. I'm just gonna choose this one that says yay. The lime green doesn't really show up in this particular kit, but I don't think it's gonna stick out enough to be a problem. All right, perfect. That covers that one. And then moving on to the weekend, no more need for anything really. So I'm just gonna stick this one like in the middle here. And then I'm gonna pull this Sunshine and Summertime from the Happy Planner book. I'm gonna stick that down. Yeah, maybe we'll just leave it at those. And then I'm gonna just stick in a couple of these little washi strips, whatever's left here, just to kind of like divide things up a little bit, add a little extra pizzazz, all that good stuff. So I think I'll just leave it at that. I do have a few like functional things left, so that'll be helpful. But this is kind of where we're at right now. Looking pretty good here, and then everything else is looking definitely a little empty. Got this page a little squished, but it'll be fine. And then this is the weekend. So I think it's looking pretty cute. Stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spreads of as much as I can share. All right, here are the finished spreads, at least the parts that I can share. This week turned out really cute, and I really like all the fun bright colors. I did also finish up everything in this kit, so that is great. No leftovers there. Mostly I just pulled things out of the kit. I did also use this I Buy Am fine liner from Amazon. This is a little Instagram from, it was Piper Paper Company. I think she's now called Jessica Aarons Designs. I don't think she has these up right now, but hopefully she'll have them again in the future. And then looking over on the weekend, I did pull out this little Happy Planner laundry sticker. This is another Happy Planner seasonal sticker. And then I think everything else came from the kit. So I think it turned out really cute and fun and bright and cheerful, which was perfect for this time of year. It was an overall pretty good week and we got some time outside, which was really nice. That's all I really have for today. So as always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know your highlight of the week down below, or leave me some sort of summary emoji just to stop by and say hi. I would love to chat with you, or just, you know, say hi back. And then also follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You can see in progress and finished spreads of as much of this planner as I can share, my book planner, bits and pieces of my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.